One.
Jam to the world. Jam to the world, jam to the world. Jam to the world, jam to the world. We come here for winning. Listen, we had elite fun. We come here for winning. When I enter, we is not chat, cause self-esteem. I can take it to the top. Take it to the top.
One, and more than one day there.
It's a crab or a frog? Me not video like. You see your mother? No. Show the cameraman in that fool. Scary, see one frog, yeah? Crab. I don't see his arm moon. We're having bonfire or campfire with the two teams.
And Elite One.
And Elite One today, I got a medal for best behavior. Yes.
You like my blackberry?
That now say nothing. Alright, yeah. Learn about self-esteem, everything. And it's been a great experience from the beginning till the end, and I don't want to go. I wish I could spend a month more. Tears fall from my eyes this evening. And another thing, I thank Uncle Chester for waking me up in the mornings. Normally I wake up 10, 11 o'clock. Now I wake up 6 and jog and chew up and kickball and run around field. Great experience. Yeah. And our miss, the cooks, big up to the food ever taste good. Big them up. And the nurse, what do you get cut on a she is? Yeah, the food mad. Sell off. Sick out of this world. Come to the world! I am the umpire. I sprinkle holy water upon the vampire. Fire. And this very moment I'm king. In this very moment I slay Goliath with a sling. In this very moment I'll bring one in everything. And I will retire with the ring. I will retire with the crown. Yes. No, I'm not lucky. I'm blessed. Yes. Clap for the heavyweight champ. Me. But I can enjoy it all alone. We, young money raised me. Grew up on it, phrase me. Southside Jamaica. Queens didn't save me. But I'm still hood. Hollywood couldn't shame me. Shout out to my haters. Sorry that you couldn't phase me. I'm being cocky, real sophisticated. Best believe the moment you're all in the sophisticated. Oh no. This night just remind me of everything that deprived me of. Yeah. Put your drinks up. And it's a celebration every time we link up. We can think everything that you think of. Greatness is what we gonna bring up. That I should have this moment for life.
You like this one, Buster?
Come on, ready.
Come on. When you start playing music, come here.
Ready. That's slow. Nobody can cross it. I just let them go. It's so. Trust me. Nobody can cross it.
Can manage the water or something, or if we around to help them.
Ready.
Nobody
can cross it. Put the hand up in the air.
Nobody can
cross it.
When you come to the work and cross it.
You watch the video, you watch
yes,
it.
on YouTube, yes.
You're not internet.
Nobody can cross.
You're not telling me nothing.
Sing the song now.
You're not telling me nothing.
Sing the song like how you know the song.
Ready.
Nobody can cross it. Only who understand it. Nobody can cross it. Only the fisherman and the fisherman. Trust me. Nobody can cross it. Only who can manage the water or if we or something. Or if we around. But if they cannot sing, they cannot cross it.
Nobody can cross it.
Hey, we're here to come to the world. As you can see, we're at the beach.
Yes, at the beach.
Make the sign.
At the last night, we're here to enjoy ourselves. First camp ever, and it's sell off.
Sell off.
You're supposed to be here. Everybody, the camp to the rain. Mad. Mad dead. Run off. Yeah. Big up, come on, my brother. Money. What's up, my brother? Come on, brother. You can't know for everybody to see. Yo.
Oh, that is a good life. Mira, somebody let that sleep.
Why did you rain? Come on, guys, sit up.
Those who wanna march it around. Those who wanna march it around. Those who wanna skip around. Those who wanna skip around. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Those who wanna skip around. Those who wanna skip around. Those who wanna skip around. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Those who wanna skip around. Those who wanna skip around. Those who wanna skip around. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la. Those who wanna skip around. Those who wanna skip around. You're too light. Those who wanna skip around. You're too light. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la. Those who wanna skip around. Those who wanna skip around. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la-la-la.
Who is coming next? One person.
Hey, as you can see, the last night we were at the campfire. Last night I came to the world. First camp was sell off. What are you doing now? You're supposed to be here. Bye, see you next year.
Watch them, them